I suppose as somebody who actually lives on the border and sees, I suppose, the daily difficulties that would present in terms of crossing the border and actually locking the people either side of the border, it's a very sensitive thing, Claire. It's not something you can just, write a new piece of law or legislation for tomorrow morning, because that would undo a huge amount of work. Can I just finish on this? On the border, the reality is that we have 208 crossings and it cannot be policed, and nobody ever wants to see, border controls coming into place and reversing the work of the Good Friday Agreement and unravelling 20 years of good work there. That seamless border has to be kept seamless. And it is possible to do this. We know that the government has suggested and will put in place
with the
stronger Garda presence, absolutely.
Telling people to stay within
absolutely, and patrolling that and ensuring that we bring the best out of people, and people have been doing their absolute level best to ensure that that continues to happen. But as somebody who's in the border county, what must be done is increasing Garda presence on where the critical mass of travel is, and trying to ensure people stick to that.